Social media has become extremely chaotic for me. I don't use social media to help me define what is the issue I need to work on or how urgently I need to work on it now. My boundaries are sacred. My space is sacred. I will protect that for myself. The other aspect is I love trees. Something about trees, something about skies, sunsets just really grounds me.